Hello, in this video we are going to learn the count plot here. So here what is count plot? A count plot can be thought of a histogram cross values of a categorical variable. What is categorical variable? A categorical variable represents a group of limited number of variables. That means suppose if you take gender, there will be a male or female, okay, limited number of values. Suppose if you take marital status, it would be single, married, divorce, okay, widowed, okay. There are limited number of values, okay. We thought of a histogram across values of a categorical variable. So we'll see example how we draw a count plot. So to draw a count plot, we can use a count plot function of SeaBorn module, SeaBorn library, sorry. Here write a Python program to display count plot by taking number of cylinders on x-axis and showing count number of records. And we have to take this data set, simple MPG data set. So directly we can take from the internet using the load underscore data set function. Simple MPG is equal to SNS dot load underscore data set. SeaBorn has this data set here. We are just importing that simple MPG, right? Just execute it. So we got the cylinders here, okay. So first, and also we have to find the unique cylinder values. How many cylinder values count here, okay. These are total. This data set contains there are 398 rows and 9 columns are there. Different types of cars are there. We have to find how many cars having how many cylinders, okay. So count of cars here, simple. For that we have to use the count plot function, simple. And we have to know the how many unique cylinder values are there. If you want to know the unique cylinder values, just use unique method. Df is equal to mpg cylinder. This data load underscore data set returns data frame here, okay. Remember cylinders here, cylinders dot unique, right? Unique, simple. So how many unique values are there? Five values are there. Cylinder column having these 5 unique values. Just to know, okay, just to know how many unique values are there, you have to use this unique method, simple, just to know. And we have to draw the count plot. We have to use count plot function from the SeaBorn, sns dot count plot, okay, count plot, and pass the data set. Data means data frame. Here data is equal to mpg and x equal to x-axis, pass the cylinders here, okay. X-axis cylinders, simple. That's it, okay. To know how many cars are there, how many. And sns dot x label give plot dot x label give number of cylinders, plot dot x label cylinders here, and y label number of cars, plot dot y label number of cars, plot dot show, simple. Just execute it. Observe here. So 200 cars having 4 cylinders here, okay. So here 75, almost around 75 car having 6 cylinders, car having 75. So number of cars, 75 cars having these 6 cylinders and 200 cars having these 4 cylinders, right, and almost 100 cars having these 8 cylinders, okay. Simple like that. So like that, if you want to know count plot means counting the cylinders here. Suppose you can take another one also. Suppose if origin is there, so origin, there are 3 different types of origins will be there. USA. If you want to know how the unique values of origin, just you have to use, instead of cylinders, use origin here, simple, origin, right. So you get the origin unique values. So USA, Japan, Europe. So how many cars origin from USA, how many cars origin from Europe, how many cars origin from Japan. So if you want to know like that, just use here, instead of cylinders, x is equal to origin, okay. Categorical variable, okay. Count plot deals with a categorical variable, means limited number of values. Origin u x label equal to origin, simple. Instead of cylinders, give origin here, origin, okay, simple. X is equal to, sorry, here origin, right. Just execute it. So observe diagram. See, observe here, USA having maximum, USA having 250 cars originating from the USA, and 50 to 100 minimum 75 cars are originating from the Japan, and almost around 75 cars originating from the Europe here, okay. So like the how data was distributed, how data count means returns number, limited number of values, deals with the number of values, limited number of values, and returns histogram here, okay. Simple. count plot means. Okay, so a count plot can be thought of a histogram across values of a categorical variable. A categorical variable is a limited number of variables. Okay, so to know the how many number of cars are, how many cylinders having, how many cars having, how many cylinders, how many cars originating from origin, if you want to know like that, you have to use this count plot. Okay, simple. And next one, in next video we will see the here box plot. Okay, next video we will see the box plot.